Now we come to the last type of Karmadharaya Samasa, which is Mayura Vyamsakadihi. Now Mayura Vyamsakadi is a universal set. It's a set of samasas and samastapadas. Now what does this set contain? At the end of this lesson, we'll be able to learn Mayura Vyamsakadi and usage. Now Mayura Vyamsakadi Samasa is a set of samasas. These are the samastapadas which have been used by the shishtas. Shishtas are the scholars and the great people, the maharshis and the Vedic pandits, but do not have a sutra to allow their formation. See, one of the condition to form a samasa is there should be a sutra. Sutranugraha should be there. There should be a sutra which allows the formation. Okay. Now there are certain rules where the sutra may not be there and it is not perfectly fitting the rules of the subtypes of samasas in Tatpurusha. In Tatpurusha, we have defined 4 types of Tatpurusha, and in each of those types, we defined all the subtypes. Now, if a samasa does not come under those 4 subtypes, those 4 types and subtypes, but has been used by people already and which do not succumb to those rules. Now Panini gave one rule. He said, now all these you can do under one rule, which is Mayura Vyamsakadayascha. He defined a new rule and he said all these miscellaneous samasas can be put under this gana and they can be explained. Okay. Now we have to be very careful with the Mayura Vyamsakadi gana. Only the samastapadas which have been used by scholars and shishtas already have to be used. We cannot create a new samasa and put under Mayura Vyamsakadi gana. This is the rule. Why it is called Mayura Vyamsakadi? The name is Mayuraha Vyamsakaha. There are a set of peacocks which fight with each other, and they are rogue peacocks. Now we can say it can come in Visheshana Purapada, Visheshana Uttarapada, something like that. But Panini has preferred to classify it in Mayura Vyamsakadigana. And he says, strictly speaking, Mayura is the Purapada here, Vyamsaka is the Uttarapada. They don't follow under those rules. So he brings it under this rule. Anyo Raja, Rajantaram, another king. Rajantaram, Anyo Deshaha, Deshantaram, another country. Nishchitam Prachitam, Nishchitam Prachitam, Nishchapracham, collected and ascertained fact. So we have collected the data and we have ascertained the data. Then it is called Nishchapracham. Nasti kuto bhayam yasya saha, akuto bhayaha. Fear from anything. Akuto bhayaha. Nasti kutaha bhayam yasya saha. Now all these miscellaneous samasas, they don't strictly follow the rules of the Tatpurusha, other types and subtypes of Tatpurusha, and hence they are classified under Karmadharaya, the 9th type, which is called as Mayura Vyamsakadi Gana, and miscellaneous samasas are put here. How do we know that these are miscellaneous samasas, sir? Is just to read the Gana and read the examples given by Panini and learn Samta Vigrahavakya and use it in the usage. This is what we can do.